Hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video we will discuss top law colleges in Thane district as well as in Navi Mumbai. Guys, these are the top law colleges are having good infrastructure. They are recognized by Bar Council of India. They are affiliated to University of Mumbai, NAC graded and many more things they have in their colleges. Now जब आपका कैप राउंड होता है दैट इज सेंट्रलाइज एडमिशन प्रोसेस इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन थाने डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड नवी मुंबई डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड इफ यू वांट टू टेक एडमिशन इन सेम डिस्ट्रिक्ट मतलब जहाँ पे आप रहते हैं वहीं पे आपको एडमिशन चाहिए यू कैन फर्स्ट सी दीज कॉलेजेस बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड कॉलेजेस. नाउ फर्स्ट कॉलेज इज शारदा एजुकेशन आनंद विश्वा गुरुकुल कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ. दिस कॉलेज इज सिचुएटेड इन सीमेंट कॉलोनी थाने. It has both the law courses, that is 3 years LLB 3 years as well as LLB 5 years. For 3 years they have total 60 seats and for 5 years they have total 120 seats. This college is also recognized by Bar Council of India and it is affiliated to University of Mumbai, and this college is having very good library for law students. Now next is Sri LR Tiwari College of Law. It is situated at Kanakia Park, Thane district. They run both the courses, that is law 3 years as well as 5 years, and for 3 years total seat is having 120 and for 5 years they are having 60 seats. And आपको LR तिवारी कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए तो you have to give MH Law CET एग्ज़ाम एंड उसके बाद एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद आपको कैप राउंड में आना पड़ेगा, दैट इज सेंट्रलाइज एडमिशन प्रोसेस, एंड इन दैट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दिस श्री LR तिवारी कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ. एंड गाइज this particular college it is situated in suburban area of Mumbai. So अगर आप दहानू से लेके चर्चगेट में अगर आप ट्रैवलिंग करते हो you can reach easily to this college. Now next is Nari Gursani Law College. It is situated in Manshukni Road, Thane. It has both the courses, that is LLB 3 years as well as LLB 5 years, and for 3 years the total seat they have it is 60 and for 5 year also they have total 60 seats. Guys, this particular college is established in 2004 and this is run by HSNC board, that is Hyderabad Sindh National Collegiate Board, and it is also affiliated to University of Mumbai and recognized by Bar Council of India. Guys, अगर आप लॉ 3 years या 5 years कर रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर कि आपका जो कॉलेज है वो बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया से रिकग्नाइज होना चाहिए. जैसे अगर कोई बच्चा बीएड करता है या कोई बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग करता है तो बीएड के लिए नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ टीचिंग एजुकेशन, दैट इज़ NCTE का रिकग्निशन कॉलेज का होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अगर कोई इंजीनियरिंग करता है तो AICTE ये दैट इज़ ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, इसका रिकग्निशन कॉलेज को होना ज़रूरी है. लाइकवाइज बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया का रिकग्निशन होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है फॉर लॉ कॉलेज. अगर आपका कॉलेज बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया से रिकग्नाइज नहीं है तो आपका डिग्री जो आपने 3 years या 5 years का किया है तो आपका डिग्री नल एंड वॉइड हो सकता है. नाउ MS कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ, इट इज़ सिचुएटेड इन मोहानी रोड, थाने. Courses they offer is LLB 3 years and 5 years, and for 3 years they have total 180 seats and for 5 years they have total 60 seats. This college is run by Habib Educational Welfare Society. Now guys, next is Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Thane Municipal Corporation Law College. This is the only college in the Thane district which is aided college, that is government college, aided college, and it is NAC C graded college. It is only having law 3 years courses and they have total 240 seats. Now next is महात्मा गांधी मिशन लॉ कॉलेज. ये जो कॉलेज है ये बहुत फेमस कॉलेज है. ये जो MGM इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कॉलेज एंड इट इज सिचुएटेड इन नवी मुंबई. दे हैव कोर्सेज फॉर 3 years as well as 5 years, and for 3 years the total seat they have it is 60 and for 5 years the total seat they have is 60. Now next college is Angel School of Law. So guys, this particular college it is situated in Navi Mumbai. They run both the courses for law 3 years as well as law 5 years, and for law 3 years they are having 60 seats and for law 5 year they are again having 60 seats. Angel School of Law was founded by Angel Charity. Now guys, this is all about the top colleges of law in Thane district as well as in Navi Mumbai. If you want to get admission in top colleges of law, so you need to give Maharashtra Law CET exam. So You can join our live class. You can get books, mock test for online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455. We have classroom coaching at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manvaredu.com for law entrance. You can also follow us to our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, we have launched a new law entrance channel. इसका लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल ऑल्सो. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो अस ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम. यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन टू अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. लिंक ऑफ ऑल द सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स इट इज गिवन इन टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. डू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. This is all about in this video, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.